Are you looking for a home in Las Vegas without all the red tape of an HOA, with space to breathe from your neighbors and a large lot with endless opportunities? Well, then allow me to introduce you to 8975 West Verde Way in the Lone Mountain area of Northwest Las Vegas. Let's go check out all this 3,872 square foot custom single-story home has to offer. If you're looking for more information on this truly unique custom home, or looking to buy or sell in the Las Vegas Valley, please give me a call, text, or email. I would love to discuss your specific real estate goals with you further. Thank you for watching.